Matrices. Before starting to do matrices, you have to understand what is called as matrices. Okay, this is a plural form. In singular, we are using the term matrix. Okay, matrix to indicate a data set. Okay, one data set is matrix. More than one is indicated as matrices. Okay, when I give you a data like this, okay, the students A, B, and C who receive marks in math and English. This is the data set given. Okay, data set given. I'll use a table to indicate their marks separately. Okay, here A received 75 marks in maths, B received 97, C received 64. Okay, in English he got 81, he got 65, and C got 78. Okay, this is the given data set. Okay, for this given data set, this is kind of a representation of data. Okay, we know about pie charts. Okay, pie charts, histograms, frequency polygon. We studied those parts earlier. Likewise, matrix is also kind of a representation of given data set. Okay, I can indicate the given data set as, okay, given data set as, before that you have to know this is called as row. Okay, the horizontal one is our row and the vertical one is indicated as column. Okay, this is our column. Okay, you should know these things, row and column. We already know that. No? First of all, we have to indicate this is the mark we are using in matrices. Okay, matrices, you have to use two normal brackets in both ends. So 75. Okay, this is in first row. Okay, first row. Okay, this is our first row. This is our second row, and this one is our third row. Likewise, I'll indicate the data. And when we consider about the columns, okay, this vertical one, this is our first column, and this one is our second column here. Okay, I'll write the given data in matrices. It's very easy. First column, first row, first column, first row. So in here also we have to indicate that as our first quantity. So then 97, then 64. Okay, in your second column, how many digits we have? We have totally 3 data. So 81, leave a small space. Okay, don't indicate 7581 together. Okay, you should leave a space between these two numbers, 81, 97, 65, and 64, 78. Okay, 78. As I already informed that, okay, this is our row. Okay, the horizontal one is our row. This one is our column. The vertical one is our column. For this given data set, we have to name accordingly. Okay, we have to give a specific name for the given data set. Okay, first of all, what we did, we identified how many data in the picture, in the table. Okay, we just represented that in our matrices. Then after, row and column accordingly, first of all you have to consider how many rows. Okay, how many rows in this data set. When we count 1 2 3, there are three rows in this data set. Okay, 3 rows. So here you have to indicate 3 here. Okay, I'll use here 3. And how many columns we have? Only 1 and 2. So 3 multiplied by 2. This is the order of this particular matrix. Okay, order of the particular matrix, because there are 3 rows and 2 columns in this given data set. Okay, don't multiply this 3 into 2 and indicate it as 6. Okay, that's wrong. We have to write that as our quantity in rows and columns. Okay, in right side bottom corner you have to indicate 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2. This is the way you have to convert a given data set as a matrix. Okay, as a matrix representation.